Let me tell you something that might blow your mind. Imagine living on just $600 a week after tax, but somehow managing to spend only $70 to $100 on groceries. That's not just budgeting, it's a full-blown lifestyle revolution. And this isn't some extreme minimalist living in a van. It's a 41-year-old rural professional who's been forced to rethink everything after losing her job. What makes this really interesting is how she's not just surviving on a shoestring, but thriving by turning back to old-school habits that most of us have long abandoned. Let me break this down for you. First off, she's basically a one-woman kitchen army. She's making her own bread, freezing meals in batches, and even crafting her own muesli bars. This isn't just about saving money, it's about reclaiming control over quality. Think about it. When was the last time you made a loaf of bread from scratch? Most of us rely on prepackaged stuff because it's easier. But she's not just cooking, she's engineering her meals to last weeks at a time. And here's the kicker, she's doing this because she's sick of the supermarket's limited options. Like, why buy hamburger buns when you can make your own rolls? This is the kind of mindset that's going to become more relevant as grocery prices keep climbing. Now, let's talk about the real game changer here. Her ability to barter and trade. She's getting eggs from the farm she works on, hoarding citrus from neighbors, and turning those into long-term supplies. This isn't just frugality, it's a form of community-based resource management. What many people don't realize is how much value lies in these informal networks. In a world where everything's supposed to be bought and sold, she's building relationships that act as a safety net. It's like having a personal stock market of free or discounted goods. And then there's the obsession with price cycles. She's not just waiting for sales, she's tracking them like a Wall Street trader. Toilet cleaner? Only buy it when it's on special. This level of scrutiny over every purchase is a skill most of us haven't developed. But here's the deeper insight. This isn't just about survival. It's about redefining what luxury means. She splurges on salon shampoo because her hair needs it, but she's not buying fancy ice cream. That's not a lack of desire, it's a conscious choice to prioritize what truly matters. What this really suggests is that the future of personal finance isn't about maximizing income, but minimizing waste. She's not just cutting costs, she's creating a system where every dollar has maximum utility. And if you take a step back and think about it, this approach is a blueprint for anyone feeling the squeeze of rising living costs. Her story isn't just about a single farm worker. It's a glimpse into a world where resourcefulness is the new currency. So the next time you're staring at a grocery bill, ask yourself, what if I could make half of this myself? Because that's exactly what she's doing, and it's working better than most of us could ever imagine.